If you need to change the resolution or dimensions of a project you've already started in Premiere Pro, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do this in a couple of easy steps. Let's get into it. Okay, so here I have my demo project open up in Premiere Pro. Now the aspect ratio of this is 4K 16:9, but let's say if I needed to change it to fit an Instagram story or a TikTok. Now instead of starting again and creating a whole new sequence, we can go into the sequence settings of this specific project and just simply change the resolution. Now to do this, all we have to do is go up to Sequence, choose Sequence Settings, and this will bring up the Sequence Settings window, which has all the settings for your current project. Now the setting that we need to change is the frame size. As you can see here, I've got 3840 by 2160. Now in order for this to fit in an Instagram story or a TikTok, we need to change this. So this needs to be 1080 by 1920. That is the only value that we need to change for this exercise. And once we've done this, we just need to go ahead and click OK. You will get a little warning window here. Just click OK on this. Now, as you can see in our program window, our resolution has completely changed. Now, by doing this, you may have to alter your clips ever so slightly. You may find that the subject of your specific clip doesn't line up in the window, but you can change this by just going into the effect controls, and I'll show you how. So say, for example, this clip here, it's not done too bad. We've got the guy in the middle of the clip there. Let's go on to clip 2. Now, this one's a little bit different. You can't quite see what's going on there. So I'm just going to move it over so that you can see the hiker in that shot. Here we have clip 3. I'm just going to adjust this accordingly, like so. Clip 4. I'm going to have to zoom that one in so that it fits. There we go. And clip 5. Just going to adjust this to the left so you can see the hikers. And there we go. Here we have all of our clips lined up and they are perfectly sized for use in an Instagram story or, say, a TikTok. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.